Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to describe where you live. You will also learn some directional words like east, west, north, and south. First, let's listen to some conversations. 暑假快到了，你暑假要做什么？
我要去看外公外婆。
你外公外婆住在哪里？
我外公外婆住在上海。你暑假要做什么？
我要和爸爸妈妈去旅游。
你们要去哪里？
我们要去很多地方，中国的东部、西部、南部、北部、中部都要去。暑假快到了，你暑假要做什么？
我要去看外公外婆。
你外公外婆住在哪里？
我外公外婆住在上海。你暑假要做什么？
我要和爸爸妈妈去旅游。
你们要去哪里？
我们要去很多地方，中国的东部、西部、南部、北部、中部都要去。Vocabulary: 暑假 Summer vacation. For example, 暑假快到了，今年暑假你要做什么？ Summer vacation is coming soon. What will you do this summer? 今年暑假我要去上海。This summer vacation I will go to Shanghai. 看 to visit. For example, 我要去上海看朋友。I want to go to Shanghai to visit friends. 我爷爷奶奶要来看我们。My grandparents are coming to visit us. Now let's have a summary of this word, 看. The first usage is to look. For example, 你看 you look. The second one, to watch. For example, 看电视 to watch TV. The third one, to read. For example, 看书 to read books. Last one, to visit. For example, 看朋友 to visit friends. 外公 maternal grandpa. For example, 妈妈的爸爸是外公。Mom's dad is 外公。我外公是医生。My maternal grandpa is a doctor. 外婆 maternal grandma. For example, 妈妈的妈妈是外婆。Mom's mom is 外婆。我外婆是家庭主妇。My maternal grandma is a housewife. 住 to live in a location. For example, 我外公外婆住在上海。My maternal grandpa and grandma live in Shanghai. 我以前住在北京。I used to live in Beijing. Very important notes here. Our normal sentence structure is like this. Subject plus time word plus location word plus verb plus object. But sometimes you will encounter special verbs like 住, which is to live in a place, 放 which is to put, 挂 which is to hang, 坐 which is to sit. These special verbs themselves imply a moment or a location, because without a moment or a location word, the sentence doesn't make sense. Whenever you encounter these special verbs, the sentence structure changes into this. Subject plus special verbs plus 在 plus location. For example, 你姐姐住在哪里？ Where does your older sister live? 我姐姐住在纽约。My older sister lives in New York. 我的包应该放在哪里？ Where should I put my purse? 挂在那里。Hang it there. 你想坐在哪里？ Where do you want to sit? 我想坐在中间。I want to sit in the middle. 旅游 to travel. For example, 今年暑假我要和爸爸妈妈去美国旅游。This summer vacation, I will go to the US to travel with my parents. 我很喜欢旅游。I like traveling very much. 地方 place or location. For example, 你去过这个地方吗？ Have you been to this place? 我没去过这个地方。I have never been to this place. 部 a part of an area, a portion of an object. For example, 美国西部 the western part of the United States. 英国中部 the central part of the United Kingdom. 东 east. For example, 纽约在美国的东部 New York is in the eastern part of the United States. 她来自英国的东部 She came from the eastern part of the United Kingdom. 西 west. For example, 旧金山在美国的西部 San Francisco is in the western part of the United States. 你看过美国西部牛仔的电影吗？ Have you ever seen an American Western cowboy movie? 南 south. For example, 冬天太冷了，我们去中国的南部吧，那里不冷。Winter is too cold. Let's go to the southern part of China, okay? It's not cold there. 北 north. 今年暑假我们要去加拿大的北部旅游。This summer, we are going to travel to the northern part of Canada. 中 in the middle. 西安在中国的中部。西安 is in the middle of China. Using 都 to express the idea of or. 都 can also be used to express both or neither nor. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 都 plus verb. For example, 中国的东部、西部、北部、南部我们都要去。Literally, China's eastern part, western part, northern part, southern part, we all want to go. We will go to China's eastern part, western part, northern part, and southern part. Let's look at some more examples with 都 used as or. For example, 我们都住在北京。We all live in Beijing. 我们都认识王老师。We all know Teacher Wang. Let's look at some examples with 都 used as both or neither nor. For example, 我和姐姐都喜欢吃巧克力冰淇淋。Literally, I and older sister all like eating chocolate ice cream. Both me and my older sister like eating chocolate ice cream. 我和姐姐都不吃肉。Literally, I and older sister all not eat meat. Neither me nor my older sister eats meat. Now it's time for a culture tip. You probably have heard that Chinese people like to live in houses that face south. Actually, this is not exclusive to Chinese culture. It's a preference shared by many people worldwide. The scientific reason behind this preference is that a south-facing house receives the maximum amount of sunlight throughout the day. In Chinese culture, there is a belief system called feng shui, which literally translates to wind, water. It's based on the idea that the arrangement and orientation of objects and structures can impact the flow of energy in a space, therefore affecting the well-being, luck, and prosperity of those living or working there. According to feng shui principles, south-facing houses are often associated with good feng shui, as they are believed to receive abundant sunlight and positive energy. It's important to note that not every Chinese person follows or believes in feng shui principles, but some Chinese people who strongly believe in feng shui will put that as the primary factor when buying a property. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!